Sam Bourne. Sam Bourne was an American businessman but born in Russia. He was a candy maker and also contributed to the invention field. In 1916, Sam Bourne was awarded with Key to the City in San Francisco. This award was for the invention of inserting sticks into lollipops. Hence, he became popular for inventing lollipop machines. We can still taste and give lollipops just because of Sam Bourne. In 1923, he was in New York City before he moved to the United States a few years back, somewhere around 1910. In New York, he worked with Just Born Company, that was again a candy manufacturer. Sam Bourne was already a candy maker and he thought of doing something different. He was very innovative by his nature. Later on, he came with an innovative candy which we know as lollipop today. His invention was famous before and will remain with us forever. Satyendra Nath Bose. Satyendra Nath Bose was born on 1st January 1894 and contributed his inventions to the world till his death on 4 February 1974. He is known for his research on quantum mechanics in 1920s. He joined Presidency College and came in contact with teachers like Jagdish Chandra Bose. He got inspirations from them and started thinking to do something good and new for the nation. He then became a lecturer from 1916 to 1921. He had written many papers on quantum mechanics like Planck's quantum radiation law, which was then sent to Albert Einstein in Germany. He wrote several modifications to the physics existing theory. In 2001, he was awarded with Nobel Prize for his enormous contribution to physics science. Rabindranath Tagore dedicated his book on science to Satyendra Nath Bose in 1937. He also got an award of Padma Bhushan in 1954 by the Government of India. Seth Boyden. Seth Boyden was an American inventor. He invented process for making patent leather in 1819 and discovered malleable iron in 1826 when he was 32 years old. He built his own steamboat. Boyden's efforts in his invention resulted in the production of glossy leather that quickly caught on as a perfect formal dress. In 1813, he received a piece of patent leather from a German manufacturer. He won an award from the Franklin Institute named Premium Number 4. A Daguerrean camera was built by Boyden. He also developed a hybrid strawberry known as Hilton strawberry. From observing the behavior of iron that stuck to the walls of his grandfather's forge, he had developed a theory of the heat treatment of iron. He also invented sheet iron and a hat shaping machine, manufactured locomotives and stationary steam engines, and also developed the preview of American process, furnace grate, in 1847. He was made the first American daguerreotype. Also designed machines for manufacturing nails and cutting files. Sir Frederick William Herschel. Sir Frederick William Herschel was born on 15th November 1738 in Hanover, Germany. He was a German-born British astronomer, technical expert, and composer. Soon, he became famous for his innovation of the planet Uranus by the side of two of its major moons, that were Titania and Oberon. He also exposed two moons of Saturn, that were Mimas and Enceladus. In addition, he was the first person to find out the subsistence of infrared radiation. He is also known for his 24 symphonies that he composed. He received a Copley Medal from studying the appropriate movement of stars. He was the first to understand that the solar system is moving from side to side of the space. He determined the estimated way of that movement. He also calculated the configuration of the Milky Way and observed that it was in the shape of a disk. On 25th August 1822, at the age of 83, he died in Slough, England. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.